Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super cool DIY project, a hand crank phone charger. That's right, no electricity needed. Get ready to be amazed. First things first, what exactly are we building? We're making a device that lets you charge your phone using nothing but your own two hands. Think of it as a backup power source, a fun gadget, or maybe even a zombie apocalypse survival tool. Now, let's gather our supplies. You'll need a few key items. First, an old DC motor. You can find these in old toys, like a remote control car or a broken drill. Second, a voltage regulator. This is super important to protect your phone from getting fried. Third, a USB port, the one you'll plug your charging cable into. Fourth, some wires, a soldering iron, solder, and a small enclosure to house everything. And finally, a crank. You can get creative here. Think of a handle from an old toy or something similar. Okay, let's get building. This is where the magic happens. First, solder the wires to the motor terminals. Next, connect the wires to the voltage regulator, following the instructions. Voltage regulators usually have an input and output, and you'll connect the motor wires to the input. The output connects to the USB port. Make sure to get the polarity right, otherwise, your charger won't work. Now, let's talk about the crank. Attach it to the motor shaft. This is the fun part. You'll be doing all the work here. The faster you crank, the more power you generate. Pretty neat, huh? After connecting everything, it's time to test it out. Plug in your phone and start cranking. You should see that your phone begins to charge. If it doesn't, double check your connections and make sure everything is wired correctly. It might take a little bit of cranking to get the charging process going. Important safety tip: always use the voltage regulator to protect your phone. Also, don't over-crank. You don't want to damage the motor or yourself. And obviously, don't use this as your only charging solution. It's more of a fun project. Once you've tested and confirmed that your device charges your phone, now is the time to assemble everything into an enclosure. This step will protect your components and make your hand crank charger look great. I recommend using a plastic box or even a small, sturdy container. Cut holes for the USB port and the crankshaft. Use glue or screws to secure all the components inside the enclosure. Voila! You now have a working hand crank phone charger. Congratulations! This project is all about resourcefulness and self-sufficiency. It's a fantastic way to learn about electronics, renewable energy, and how to stay connected. And it's a great conversation starter. 2. Imagine whipping this out next time you are camping. Everyone will want to know how you did it. Remember, if you build one, please share your creation with us by posting it in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun projects. See you in the next one. Bye.